Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to embellish this clear PVC bag. And before I get into that, I'm going to go through the details of this bag. It is one of the nicest PVC clutch bags that I've seen so far. It is high quality PVC. It was $16.90 on Amazon, and I'll post all the links below. I wanted to give you dimensions, so I measured the bag for you. It is 14 inches in length, it's 9.5 inches in height, and it's about an inch in depth. It has a turn clasp, and this is going to be the back side, and it has a few studs, as you could see there. And this is going to be the part that I embellish, so it'll be embellished on this side, and this is going to be going from this clear bag to this. Okay guys, so I'm showing you the look for today. All the items I'm going to be showing you are from Bead Factory in downtown LA, and I purchased these heart-shaped or somewhat heart-shaped strands. They come 15 to 17 per strand, $4 a piece, and I purchased 5 of those. I also purchased these round ones that match the hue of these here, and they're also $4 per strand, 15 stones per strand. I also purchased these metal butterflies. They're $2.50 each, and I'm going to be bending them so that the wings are flapped outward. And I am also going to be using this faux, it feels like real pearl, it could be ceramic, but I'll be cutting them and using this to incorporate into this design. Before you get started on your project, please make sure you wash these with water and soap, because hundreds of people touch these, so you want to make sure that they're clean and sparkly. Okay guys, I stuffed this bag with a book so that you have a hard surface to work on, and let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to be doing first is sketching out the shape of a heart. And so for that, you're going to need a sliver of soap. Try not to get your fingers on it because you don't want to be touching the bag and leaving prints. So wrap a napkin and start drawing. If you mess up, just take water and soap and clean it and dry it and start over again. Okay guys, so this is your map. You're going to be staying inside of the line here, and you're going to be placing the stones facing the same direction, and they're going to be facing inward towards the center of the heart. So the point will be going towards the center, and this is how you're going to be placing them around and then filling them in inside. So just keep on watching. As for these stones, one side tends to be a bit more gold and yellow, and the other side has a bit more pink. I'm using the side that has the gold and yellow hue. I'm going to switch over to my large size E6000 that does not have a pointed nozzle to be able to place glue all around the heart. For more detailed work, then you're going to be using a pointed nozzle. Okay guys, so wherever you see gaps, don't worry about it. This is the first layer of 3D. We're going to be doing another, and determine how you want to shape your heart. I did not want a narrow heart because this is a very large bag, both lengthwise and height. So I wanted a heart that would take over the front of the bag. So you determine how you want yours shaped. Okay, so I removed the soap from around the outside border of the heart, and usually you would wait until it's dry to not smear the glue, but I'm a beast, and so that's what I did, and that's how it looks for the first layer. Okay guys, this bag comes with a 47-inch gold chain. It is nice and substantial, and you clip it to the top of this bag. I will not be doing that. I will be using the chain to outline this heart. So just take the clasp off and apply glue and work around the heart. You will need your pointed nozzle E6000 for that. Okay guys, so we are done with the outline. Let's move on to the second layer of 3D. For the next step, guys, we're going to be adding the metal butterflies. Okay guys, I did bend the butterfly so that it is flaring out. Okay, now that you determine placement, just make sure that you deposit the butterfly in a little bit of a divot, or whatever stone you use. Just make sure it's in a little space where it fits, nestled. So now we're going to be adding some pearls from the necklace I took apart, and then some studs. These are also from Bead Factory. We're going to be adding them to the design. So grab the charm, dip it in glue, and then place it on the 3D. Okay guys, so I've done a bunch of stuff off camera because my batteries keep dying. But what I did do, and I'll show you, is I took these studs that I bought at Bead Factory and I deposited with the metal backing into any spaces that were large, just like these here. So I deposit them with glue right in the center there, and then just put the stone. And then I also pried this open, removed the rhinestone, and put floaters on top so you could see the crystal clears on top. Just put a little bit of glue and deposit into divots. I also used the entire pearl necklace I purchased for this project, and you could see how it's just floating above. I also purchased these plastic beads. They're very, very beautiful. They're small, but they're very sparkly and iridescent, much like these stones here. And I'm going to be using these, as you can see, to outline the outside part of the chain. I also decorated the body of the butterflies with the same embellishments. So just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, and you could see how beautifully it is designed. The clutch looks gorgeous. There's a lot of weight to it because the stones are very heavy. And you can see how nicely finished it looks with the outside perimeter outlined. And it is really sparkly. I'll show you what it looks like in the sunlight, but it is gleaming. Of course, as per usual, I add an accent dangle, and in this case, it is a very large engagement ring keychain, and it is beautifully made. It has pave stones here, and then the big rock here, and this is probably like 22 millimeters. It's beautiful and super sparkly. I attached it to the end of the bag, and so that right there completes the bag. If you like this design, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.